Do you ever feel like payday just comes and goes? Like your pay disappears before you can enjoy it? Does your pay feel like a drive-through? Because that feeling is honestly very exhausting. And I mean, like, I don't know, when you guys get paid, you pay your rent, you pay your bills, you go buy your groceries, pay mortgages and whatnot. And then after all of that, your pay is gone. It has driven through your bank account. So basically, your bank account is just like a drive-through. A few days after payday, right, you look at your bank account and you think, yo, where did all of my pay go? Where did the pay go, darling? And yeah, I know that feeling. Unfortunately, I know that feeling. And yeah, like for me, I just wanted, like breathing room. I don't know how to put this, like more financial freedom. I want to like retire earlier. I want to be debt free. I want to provide a better future for my future kids. And I mean, I don't want like my whole life, to work for one salary. And then for that, and for everything to depend on one salary, just for that salary, on a certain date, to just drive through my bank account. Like, I don't want that. And I know there's some people here that can relate to that. Because here's the thing, like, if you only have one salary, even a small unexpected expense can ruin your whole month. And for me, that was one of the reasons why I started looking at extra income or at earning income online. And I also like just began to thought, okay, if I want something different, if I want like a different outcome and income, then I would have to learn something different. So yeah, I started learning about how people like earn money online. And listen, I'm still figuring stuff out. I'm still learning. I'm still implementing. I'm still making progress. I don't have everything all the way like figured out. I still, make my mistakes, but at least I am making progress. And at least I am moving forward towards my dream life.